Hello friends, welcome back to Cooking with Ish. Today I am going to share with you a very authentic tomato pickle recipe handed down through generations in my family, and my mom taught me this recipe. This time I am super excited to make this pickle because I am using the tomatoes from my garden. Apart from the tomatoes, the main ingredients we'll be needing will be garlic, salt, red chili powder, mustard powder, cumin powder, and fenugreek powder. We'll also need some oil and tamarind. We will also need our tempering box. Let's get into the recipe now. Wash and dry the tomatoes completely. That's really crucial for the pickle to stay intact throughout the year. We need to slice the tomatoes into thin wedges. Once the tomatoes are sliced, add in the salt and turmeric powder and then mix them properly to coat all the tomatoes well. Once mixed well, cover it with a lid and then keep it aside. This has to be kept aside for one whole day, but in between you have to again open the lid and then mix it thoroughly. Basically, if you have started this in the morning, you will have to mix it again in the evening. Don't worry, oozing of water from the tomato is natural and this is much needed for this recipe. After mixing for the second time, again cover it and then keep it aside until next day. The next morning, if you see, the tomato has oozed a lot of water. Now we have to drain all that water from the tomatoes and then keep it aside. Remember, you have to drain it properly. This helps the process of drying the tomato easily. We will have to dry these tomatoes. Traditionally, these tomatoes are dried under the sun, hence they are called sun-dried tomatoes. Here in the US, since the season is weird, sometimes mostly it rains and then there is not enough sun most of the days. So I have found two different methods for drying these tomatoes. You are always welcome to dry them under the sun, the most traditional way, but the other two methods also I will show you. But do not forget and remember to dry the tomato juice too in whatever method you follow. The natural sun drying process will take a minimum of 2 to 3 days for the tomatoes to completely dry. Let's see the oven method now. Place the tomato slices and the juice in the oven and bake them until the tomato slices are completely dry. This takes about 5 to 6 hours normally. You can also dry the tomatoes using a air fryer. Place the tomato slices in the air fry tray, cover them and then air fry them until they are dry enough. Usually this process takes about 2 to 3 hours. Let's get the tamarind ready for the pickle. Make sure the tamarind is clean enough and also remove all the wooden strings and the seeds in there. Now place these tamarind pieces into the tomato juice and let them soak in the tomato juice for about 2 hours. Now separate the dried tomatoes into 2 equal parts and put one part into this tamarind and tomato juice mixture. Now we will have to grind this mixture of tomato juice, tomato pieces and the tamarind into a smooth paste. Once the paste is done, let's keep it aside and make the garlic paste. Please follow the directions I have specified in my detailed recipe which I have given in the description box below. In a large bowl, add the red chili powder, mustard powder, cumin powder and the fenugreek powder. Also, we need to add half of the garlic paste here and keep the rest of the half aside. Give it a quick thorough mix and then add in the tamarind paste also into this. Remember, we have kept the other half of the tomatoes, the dried ones, aside. So we need to add those dried tomatoes also into this mix and then mix everything properly. You must have observed that we did not add any additional salt into this as the tomato pieces and the tomato juice already has the salt. After tasting this, if you think you still need more, you can always add it. Now let's heat the oil for making the tempering. Add mustard seeds once the oil is heated. Let the mustard seeds crackle and splutter. Then add in the chana dal, cumin seeds, red chilies, turmeric powder, asafoetida, remaining garlic pieces and the remaining garlic paste. Now let all this cook for about a minute. Now add in the curry leaves and the tomato pickle paste into this oil. Make sure all the pickle is mixed well with the oil and then cook it for about 5 minutes. That's all. Our pickle is ready. Trust me, my kitchen smells like heaven right now. Make sure the pickle is not burnt. So cook this pickle only on low medium flame. Once cooled down, you can bottle it. If you follow proper precautions like not touching this pickle with wet hands or wet spoons, this pickle stays beyond 1 year. Wow, I'm so drooling over this yummy tomato pickle rice. So friends, if you like my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my future videos. Thank you.